Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on order of operation Bodmas, and this is the hardest example of Bodmas. Here you can see maybe you wrong. So how to wrong? Because first we simplify here round bracket. Okay, according to Bodmas. Okay, so B for bracket, and in bracket we simplify the round bracket, then curly bracket, and then square bracket. Okay, so here write 3, 2 plus 3, and 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, so now we simplify it. Round bracket, and then our choose to off condition after bracket. Okay, after round bracket 3, round bracket of curly bracket open, 2 plus 3 multiply 4 is 12. Okay, and curly bracket close. So now 3, 2 plus 12 is 14. So here write 14. Okay, and now off condition after curly bracket simplified. So 3 multiplied 14 is 3 for the 12, 1 carry, and 3 1 the 1, 3 1 the 1, and 3 plus 1 is 4. 42 is our final answer of this basic question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.